Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in previous videos, I inform you that unconfirmed reports coming that Tigray Defense Force in control of Valdia Amhara region. But now, according to reliable sources, it is being said that local militia in Valdia are not giving up the city Valdia without a fight with Tigray Defense Force. And the mayor has called upon the populace to resist. And Ethiopian National Defense Force largely absent from the city apparently. Viewers, and on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force are close to the Valdia even entering the city. And many civilians living or staying indoors in Valdia. And the militias in Valdia are under occupied and have mostly no training. And ammunition stores are low as well. But there does not seem to be sharing of equipment between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and locals. Viewers, it is reported that Tigray Defense Force took the town of Sanka to the northwest of Valdia, but images were released showing Amhara forces in the area too. And a statement is published by Ethiopian government. According to this statement, the West Commander's First Military Court is making a legal decision on the Tigray People Liberation Front when the TPLF is full of violence against the army. And it has been stated that the judgment being given is based on the law of human and documentation, hearing and accusing evidence. And said that according to the leader Colonel Maria, Tigray People Liberation Front has already been in the military court to give up the army. And Colonel Maria has confirmed that Tigray People Liberation Front agenda has been being arrested for war. And it has been said that it is better to make the army to separate from the government by putting their fights on behalf of Tigray People Liberation Front and not accepting the change. And said that TPLF gave mission to give a justice decision. The Tigrayan speakers in the army said they were prepared to cause unnecessary damage. And according to law, the members have been prosecuted for their wrongdoings and other decisions have been sentenced to death and life prison. So viewers, this is a statement which is today published by Ethiopian government. This is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.